This is more or less the surrounding or the conditions around the Beyond Matter project. It is practice-based research in which we are creating publications, organizing symposia, a residency program, and so on and so forth. We try to adapt certain technologies which were not that widely used before. What we are investigating or working with are curated exhibitions that are thematically investigating spatial aspects of digital mediation and or basically the spatial affairs exhibiting the question of space, or actually the notion of space, and the changes which has been caused by computation and any kind of information technology. Another quite important format for the project is the revival of past landmark exhibitions. We chose two past exhibitions that we will try to emulate into the computational space.
We see Iconoclash as a case study because we have simply access to the archive material we can work for, we can work with, and we are actually trying to derive a methodology for processing those archive data for storage and feeding it into such a planned database visualization platform, let's say. And we are researching on quite an amount of different mediums and materials, archive folders, documents from former staff members, documentation from lenders, etc. This were requested, digitized and stored, but also information from oral history are interesting for us. We interviewed, or better said, Lívia interviewed former participants for reinterpretation and historical significance.
The exhibition models they are going to be published on the online platform, and they will be available online. But we thought that this might not be enough, and it might be needed to create sort of a pod, certain structure with which these exhibition models can be visited in art institutions as well in an immersive way.
By reviving these past exhibitions, are you really reenacting them in different conditions based on digital technologies, or you're aiming something else based on the affordances of these technologies can bring?
This is quite an important aspect that we don't want to repeat, but we try to understand the essence of it, and to display the essence of these curatorial concepts through the platform we are creating. So in the end, in this case, there will be a certain level of abstraction, and there will be also a certain dynamism, which is not possible in an exhibition space. So exhibitions and artworks, unless they are kinetic, they belong to the kinetic art category, they don't move. And in our case, we will try to make them move and reshuffle again and again, and create alternative scenographies throughout one experience of the exhibition or the model of the exhibition and throughout one visit.